Holy cow, what did you say? I can't hear you.
Oh, sorry. I told you that currently we are running fabulous promotion in your area regarding complete house air duct air vent cleaning services.
Holy cow, that's exciting.
Yes. Okay, so let me know how many bedrooms you have.
2 bedrooms.
Okay? Okay, okay, perfect. So you have a two-bedroom house, right?
Hey, who's this?
Yes. Sir, he transferred the call. So the price will be just $100, 100, for whole house duct cleaning, whole house air vents cleaning, and sanitization as well. In just $100. Okay?
How can you do it so cheap?
But sir, right now we're having a promotion deal. So that's a promotion. $100 promotion. But if you want some another time, so the price will be 170 to $180.
Holy.
That's the reason.
Oh. Okay.
Yes, and if I'm not wrong, are you still residing in city of Inwood, Ontario, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Mr. Jerry, in your area, we have slots available sometime on tomorrow. So what time can we come? Like in the morning time, evening time, or afternoon time?
In the morning.
Morning time. How about that in between 9 and 11? Like any time after 9, before 11, we will be there at your place?
Yep.
Okay, and sir, can you confirm with the house address? I have your house address is 3197 Inwood Road, right?
Yep.
3197.
Yep.
I got it. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. Well, would you look at that? Never in the wildest figment of my entire stovepipe did I think that they would show up. Like, what are they? Are they actually here to try to clean my ducts? Is that what we're seeing here, boys? Are we witnessing history in the making? So what they say they'd be here between 9 and 11, and it's 2:17. That's pretty close, you know. But yeah, I never thought they were gonna show up. So of course plus I got other stuff to do. I'm not waiting around for guys that keep calling me. Like I've been mad. I've tried to make jokes. I've this and that. Like I've completely lost my entire shit on them and flipped out and told them no call no more, and like every possible scenario you could come up with to try to get these guys to stop calling me, and they keep calling me, keep calling me, keep calling, and then they showed up. It's like, man, I wish I was there to just son of a bitch recruit them, because that would have been pretty sweet. But of course, I was out digging and I was out playing traptor, so friggin' we weren't able to catch the friggin' son of a bitches in the act. But thanks to Reolink, at least we got the video surveillance footage. Anyways, so that's one point. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can come up with some sort of a scenario that would, make the layman understand what this is. Or like, are they scoping out the weed eaters? Or like, are they G-Tells competition? What's going on here? What would possess these guys to show up in this van? Like, what is in that van? A shop vac? Some towels? You know what I mean? Did you friggin', you know? I'm really having a hard time grasping what's happening here. But if you know, leave a comment. Let me know. Okay, I go.